Hello everyone, and welcome to this video in which I will refurbish this Nokia N76. That's pretty rough top. Well, the phone is fully functional. The only problem is the body shell. That's kind of it. Let's begin. I'll be honest with you, this is my first flip phone or shell phone teardown, disassembly. I've never opened one before, so yeah. There we go. I'm trying to salvage the screen, or if I can find a better one, because the new body shell doesn't have it apparently. There we go. Oh, what's this? A whole lot of cables. You have to be extra careful with those cables. Oh, okay, they're still in good condition. Phew. This one is out as well. And then there's this thing. Side clamps. Yep, that was easy. Those are the parts that I'm putting back. The little display. This is sticked here, just like that. The buttons. Now the display. Yeah, it has to come out from the bottom, like so. Easy. And just pull it out like this. The display, ladies and gentlemen. What else there is? The speaker. Actually, I'll take the speaker out later, because I don't know if I can reverse the polarity. Oh, this is the magnet. I'm guessing this knows when the phone is closed, or just to keep the phone nicely closed. We shall see. Well, that was the top part. Now for the bottom part. Oh, this is just the speaker. This should come off just like this. Yeah, after I pull out the main board. The only problem left is this shell part that just won't come off. I just have to force it a little then. There we go. Now it's open. I should have started with this from the beginning, but you know. There we have it. And this should be in one piece with this other thing. Oh, this is the hinge. I just have to open it. Whoa, okay, that fell off. I'll get to it in a minute. I want to disassemble it with the hinge open. Okay, there we go. Well, nothing much left from the body shell. All that's left is this main part that it's attached. Oh yeah, let me just get this out of the way. Oh, to be careful to the camera, and here has some diodes. Pretty risky, this phone. There we have it. This is the hinge. Pretty good. Now for the main board and the keyboard. Let's see what's holding it still. Ah, this is just here in clamps. Oh, there we go. I just wobble it a little and that was it. Nice. What's left in here? This is metal. Nice. That explains this little corrosion here. Charging port. This is the camera module and the speaker. I'll have to clean this up. Put it right here. All that's left is the keyboard, which is held in place in the margins here. Oh, really adhesive stuck here. Sorry about that. There we go. One last more. It's also sticked. Don't force this too much, it's a pretty sensitive keyboard face. It has clamps in the sides and adhesive and top and bottom. And of course it it ripped a bit out of it. Why not? Small scratches, not in so bad condition. All that's left is the keyboard. If I can just take it off here. Take this slowly. It's so hard. This adhesive is pretty good. Now I must take it slowly so that it won't rip the... Oh, this is good. I don't know what this is, but it's in one piece. Easy here where the connector is. There we go. Here's the keyboard that I don't know what this is. Is this some sort of microphone or the... Actually, I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is not to be opened. Just hope I didn't mess this up. And now the hinge stays here. The only thing to take out is the body shell face, which I'm hoping it's not in one piece. Yeah, looking at the new body shell, it's in one piece. Dang it, I have to... Oh, I think this can be pulled out. Right? Right? Oh, easy there. Okay, and it's out from here. I have to take this negative as well. And now how it's getting out of here. Wait, I can actually pull this out here? The cables, that is. Yes, you can pull the cables out of there, which is a very nice touch. Yeah, so apparently this hinge can't be taken off. It's riveted here. Well, with a drill you can, but I don't know if it will be that reliable anymore. So yeah, I'm keeping the front, the original body shell, because the other one apparently is made of plastic. I'm using the bottom half, the new one, but I'm keeping this metallic one. So yeah, all that's left to do is to clean the parts. I will change also the screen. I'll clean the parts and be right back to assemble this. And ladies and gentlemen, here is the difference between a original screen and this stupid aftermarket Chinese screen that I got fooled that is the original. I cleaned it with alcohol and it started to melt. I am very displeased, very annoyed of this. This was a total failure. So yeah, David, I know I promised you that I will refurbish this phone, but I don't have with what to refurbish it. I mean, I want to put a new body shell. So, until next time, when I find a body shell, I'll just leave it like this in a sad spot, and that will be it. I could re-put this old one, but I cracked it here when I took it off. Such a very strong adhesive. Sorry about this failure, and I'll see you in the next video, in which maybe I can put it back together. I'm going to, oh boy, start digging for another body shell. Let me just take this away from here. Sorry to disappoint you in this video. Man, my head hurts so much. Yeah, have an awesome day, everybody. I hope you have it better than I am. Bye.